Good morning, fifth grade. It is Friday, April 16th, and it is the last day of the week already, so that's great. All of your assignments are due Sunday evening, April 19th. I hope that you've been able to stay on task and get these done, but if not, you do have until Sunday, 11:59 p.m., but it's best to do it early if you can. Going through a day in religion, you're going to just do the art print, which is on page 243, and on the bottom of page 243, you have a thing called gratitude list. You can type your answers directly on the discussion that we have over here on Schoology for Friday. You can type it, or you can put a picture of the notebook paper that you are using. Remember, we have a test on this on Monday, so you're going to have to do your highlighting, and it's not a test, it's really a quiz. And you do have a unit test on Friday, so you should be studying those highlights. Now, today you have a video. That video is from me, and it is about the irregular volume shapes. It's when you put two rectangular prisms together and how to find the volume of them. You are going to need two different colored crayons or colored pencils, and you're going to have to pause it as you go along, because I'm going to do something and then I'm going to have you try it. And I'm going to have you do something else and have you try it. So you're going to be pausing as we go. Once we're done with the video and you've paused and you've tried and you've done your color coding and all that good stuff, you're going to complete pages 703 and 704 and submit the pictures to Schoology. So we're going to go right here, and there'll be a link to the video right above it. Now, again, we have a chapter test on Monday. This is the final lesson for volume, and so our test is on Monday. I strongly suggest you work on the review so that you can look at that on Monday. You can check your scores on Monday and make sure that you understand everything for our test on Tuesday. And then we have a fun day today in social studies. You just have one page to read, page 228, and it's talking about one of your civic duties, which is jury duty. And there's this cool game on BrainPop called We the Jury. Here's my login and password. It's also on the website. Now, the very first case that it offers you is pizza versus taco. It's two restaurants, and they have an argument over if their names are too similar, and I want you to pick that one. Make sure you take the tutorial to help you play the game. The first time I played it, I didn't do the tutorial, and I was completely lost. So what you have to do is you have to listen to the jurors after the case. Everybody goes into the sequestered room, and they have to listen to what other people's opinions are, and you have to try to make their opinion change to be like your opinion. So when you click on their opinion, if you're trying to change their mind, you click on the evidence, and then you tell them what you think so that their mind can change as well. When the case is over, you have a screen that gives you points. You get points based on how well you talk to the other jurors, how quickly you got everybody to side with your case. So just upload a screenshot of that certificate if you have that ability. If not, you can just type on Schoology everything that's in the top line. There's three things. There's your time and your score. It's fun, it's educational, takes about 20 minutes, and I think that you'll really enjoy it. And again, we're going to finish our lesson on Tuesday. You're going to have a unit test covering all of this the following week on April 20th on Monday. There is a study guide you might want to get started on, because you'll be required to have that done as well. Okay guys, that's it for today. Make sure you watch the math video and you have your colored crayons. And I hope you've picked up your belongings already from school. If not, I hope you can get up there today. Have a great weekend. See you Monday.